tourist site for both local and international tourists. More Irrigation Scheme Manager Innocent Ariamba has said that most of the land around the dam is spacious and if well restored can provide a scenic view of the dam. Speaking after spearheading the planting of 19,000 tree seedlings around the dam, Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru said that the county government will support the process of restoring and beautifying the Thiba Dam site for local and international tourism.
We are very committed as a county to support His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto on his initiative of growing 15 billion trees. Kirinyaga County, in this past 1 year, we've already, as a county government, planted and grown 1.3 million trees, and the county commissioner can confirm that.
We are partnering with the Ministry of Interior to ensure that this place has a security, because being a very critical infrastructure, it's good that we take care of it and ensure that proper security measures are in place.
Imiti tuko na nia ya kupartner na community. We'll identify youths around this area, good youths who have good conduct, to engage with a small token, probably a monthly stipend, ili watusaidie ku maintain his meeting for a period of at least 2 seasons.